If you're exhausted with trying every single system, funnel or hack that promised the world and delivered nothing, you're not alone. And look, if you really want to make money online, then in order to do that, you need something to sell. But the problem is, it takes time. Outsourcing costs money, and you might even pick the wrong product and not sell a single thing. That's why Vault PLR is a complete game changer. We've bundled 40,000 high-quality ChatGPT prompts into one package at an incredibly low price, ready for you to start making money from today. Inside, we've got every single profitable niche that you could think of, and we're including full PLR rights. That's private label rights, so that you can sell this package yourself and keep every penny you make. No brainstorming, no headaches. This is completely done for you and ready to go to start making you money today. Because this is PLR, private label rights, that means you can rename it, rebrand it, edit it, bundle it, package it. You can do what you like. You keep every single penny you make when you make a sale. And you could also use this as bonuses to explode your affiliate commissions. But we all know that AI is moving at a great pace. And some of us are even concerned that it might take our jobs. So why not take the bull by the horns and get stuck into AI by selling your own AI prompts? So are you ready to cash in with AI rather than waiting to be replaced by AI? This is your chance. 40,000 high quality ChatGPT prompts ready for you to sell and keep every single penny you make. But I must warn you that the price goes up with every single sale. So the sooner you get this, the better the price you'll pay. This is an incredible opportunity and a complete no-brainer when it comes to making money online. AI is the hot topic of the moment. PLR is the best way to make money, and we've got 40,000 prompts for you here ready for you to do exactly that. So go ahead, click on the buy button below this video and get your Vault PLR pack locked in at the best price possible. Do that now and we'll see you on the inside.